Hi everyone, today I show you how to select options for how you ship large item on Mercari and how to measure the size with specific tips for beds.
Let's start with clicking on this listing button. They want you to add photos and fill out product description and all, but we will skip this step and go to the shipping service, which is in another tab. So on this tab, you will be filling shipping details, who pay your shipping method, and where from, and shipping preparation time of the shipment. Now let's select this one. Here you can select who will pay the shipping fees. And normally most people will pay for the shipping fees for their customers because it usually make the product sales faster. Next, let's choose our shipping method by clicking here. And the next page will show us the options of how we can ship the items. Once you scroll down, you will see this option here with the TV icon on the left side. This is a wrapping and shipping service from Mercari. They will wrap the items for you. They will come pick it up, and they will just do anything for you, everything for you. But the thing is that you cannot ship the fragile stuff such as glass, table, or anything that is fragile, and the size needs to be from 80 centimeter to 450 centimeter. Next one, we need to select the sender address, and then the shipping preparation time, where you can select from 3 options here, from 1 to 2 days, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4 days. Next, you will need to put the size of your item. Make sure to measure the size before you disassemble your item. Measure all 3 sizes of the furniture, including any parts that stick out, and the sum of all 3 sides will be our size. However, there are 3 conditions that you need to know here. 1. All 3 sides combined should not exceed 450 centimeter. 2. Either side must not exceed 250. And 3. Boxes that you need to have it stay upright should not have a height more than 200 centimeter. And let's come back to the size selection here. Now after you have your size, you can select one of these things right here from the list. And then there you go. You will see the price of the shipment. The last one is the Mercari donation. So you can donate a portion of your sales to organizations, including local government and blah, blah, blah. And you can set a percentage of the sales that you want to donate here. And that's all for the setting. One thing to note, there is a special way to measure the bed. Please refer to the chart here. So if you have mattress, you can also measure mattress as a set with your bed frame. Also the headboard, there is a special way to measure it or not to measure it. For example, if you have a bed with the headboard and the mattress, what you need to measure is the A, B, C, D, and F. So essentially, you do not measure the height of the headboard.